Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Dyer, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving more than 50 miles from your current location is considered a long-distance move. It takes a lot of time and effort to plan for a long-distance travel. We have a wealth of knowledge and experience in helping our clients relocate significant distances. To ensure that your goods arrive on time, we work closely with the federal and state authorities responsible for the relocation process. When it comes to planning a relocation, you can count on our movers to be meticulous. To put your mind at ease, we are in charge of the entire process. Our fleet of relocation vehicles is also enough. Using our trucks, you can rest assured that your goods are safe and secure. Our drivers are also well-versed in the rules of the road and follow them to the letter. Your goods will also arrive at their destination intact. When moving long distances, the cost is higher. Relocation services in Dyer are among the best in the area. We also have a budget-friendly moving company with hourly charges ranging from $30 to $40 an hour. We also pride ourselves on providing excellent customer service, and we're always here to help you, no matter when you need us, or using our services to make your next relocation as pleasant as possible. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Dyer moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. Request a free quote using our online request form.